Hey Mo, I just wanted to show you something. I noticed this morning when I started rolling it around. This wheel is loose, and I don't know if it's a bearing. I'm gonna have to get in there. I'm still trying to get it to crank. I don't know if it's solenoid or the battery. I want to try to find a new battery, but the one that came on it that you had is still has 12.6 volts on it, so it should be good. So I'm gonna keep troubleshooting it, and I'll keep you filled in. I'm gonna see. I might have a bearing for the wheel. I don't know. I'll see. But I wanted to send you this just so you kind of see where I am. I'll keep in touch. I'll call you later today. Thanks.